Number 1, the limit as x goes to negative 3 of f of x, where f of x is defined by this piecewise function. Since our function is defined in pieces, I want to look at the limits from the left and from the right. So we'll break this limit into two pieces. The limit as x goes to negative 3 from the left of f of x, and the limit as x goes to negative 3 from the right of f of x. Now if x goes to negative 3 from the left, this means that x is less than negative 3. Since x is less than negative 3, that tells us we're going to be using this first piece of the piecewise definition. So I can now write this as the limit as x goes to negative 3 from the left of negative 1 over x plus 3. And I can try this by direct substitution. I can plug in the negative 3, and this gives me negative 1 over 0. Now the fact that we have a 1 over 0 tells us that this is some kind of infinity. So we need to analyze the signs. And again, since x is less than negative 3, if we plug in a number slightly less than negative 3 here and we add 3 to it, the result will be negative. So we've got a negative 1 over a negative. This is going to give us a positive infinity. Now let's look at the right-hand limit. The limit as x goes to negative 3 from the right, this means x is greater than negative 3. Since x is greater than negative 3, that tells me we're going to use this branch right here, where x is greater than negative 3. So this gives us, again, the limit as x goes to negative 3 from the right of now positive 1 over x plus 3. And since x goes to negative 3 from the right, again, this means x is greater than negative 3. I try this by direct substitution. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. But to analyze the sign here, we see that if x is greater than negative 3, then this sum here will be positive. So positive over positive gives us a positive infinity. And that says, since these two limits agree, the left and the right, that says that our overall limit is positive infinity.